Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Our today's lecture is about the advent of Islam and invitation to family member to accept Islam. Over time, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam accepted his calling and began to pray in earnest. After a 3-year wait, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam began to receive further revelations through the angel Jibreel. Early converters of Islam. Early convert to Islam include Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wife, his cousin Ali Razi Talana, his adopted son Zaid Razi Talana, his nursemaid Ayman Razi Talana, and his friend Abu Bakr Razi Talana. There were 3 main groups of every converts to Islam: younger brother and sons of great merchant, people who had fallen out of the first rank in their tribe or failed to attain it, and the weak, mostly unprotected foreigners. Abu Bakr, who used to purchase slaves to set them free in accordance with Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's principle of equality, attracted a large number of converts. Nevertheless, the number of these early converts remained small, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam concentrated on quietly building a small but spiritually strong community. Around 613 AD, the Quran commanded Muhammad to admonish your nearest kinsmen. Invitation to family member to accept Islam. Later, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam organized dinners in which he conveyed and advocated the substance of his message, but no one answered him except Hazrat Ali Razi Talana said, "Though I am very young and my legs are weak, I will help you and fight against those who oppose you." Sermon on Mount Safa. One day Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam climbed Mount Safa in Makkah, now located in the Masjid al-Haram, and called out the tribal chiefs. After receiving assurance that the chief, who reportedly never heard tell lies, would believe him, he declared the oneness of God. Later, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam organized dinner in which he conveyed and advocated the substance of his message. At these events, Muhammad met furious opposition from one of his uncle, Abu Lahab. I hope you understand this topic very well. Thank you. Jazakallah.